In this project, we'll create the scene which is shown here, and we'll be using AC extended objects like wall, doors, windows, and the standard primitives, the foliage and railings and other items we'll be using. So let us start with this project. So we'll be creating the ground floor, that is the platform. So I'll be going to this plane. I'll change this to green. I'll switch up the grids. I'll go to the top view, and here we'll be creating the fence. So we'll go to rectangle, right click, convert to editable poly, editable spline. We'll go for editable spline, and this particular segment I will divide to 3, and this particular segment I will delete. I'll keep the opening here. This is the boundary or fencing which you can see. So we'll be going to AC extended railing and pick rail path. I'll go to H, this rectangle. So this is picked, and here we'll go to the rail path and we'll change the numbers 3 or 4, and here the height, everything we have to modify. Here you have to go for the posts. The post number will be increasing, maybe 30. And here I can set different parameters for fencing. This height I have to manage. Corner, I'll go for corner. So this will be the overall fencing boundary which we have. So you can assign a color to it. This you can lower also. I can go to the post and I'll keep it 25. Here this segment you can keep it 1. This height we can lower. Lower rails will keep it 1 only, and this will be pretty good. I'll go to the top view, and here I'll go for wall, and I will switch on the grids, and I'll be creating the walls. Right click to cancel this. Now what we'll do is I'll just switch off all the snap units. I'll select this and I'll go for a group, maybe the fencing, and I'll go for the scale. I'll just enlarge it a little bit. And here I'll go to modify wall vertex. I'll go to the top view and I can change this. These two vertex again I will move to give the required shape. These two vertex I'll move. So maybe this will be okay, pretty good. I'll go to the top view and at this corners I'll just delete this profile. At the top view I'll be creating the columns. So I'll go to box and at this corner what I can do is I can go for a cube. This is the cube. I'll rotate this and I will modify the height. $8 I'll give the color. I'll go to the top view. And this two I'll select. This and this. Shift. And I'll place at this corner. I'll go for the roofs. I'll go for auto grid. I'll switch off the cube option. I'll select this. I'll go to scale and we scale it. You can have a particular color assigned to this. Now we'll add the doors and windows. So for adding doors and windows, I will switch on the snap and I will go to windows. So I'll go for the pivoted type windows where I'll select the width. This is the first point, second point, the width and the typical height which you are looking for. Go to modify and here you can give the depth, whatever you're looking for, height 4 feet, this 3.5. Just like that, I'll be creating the windows. I'll be creating the doors also by fold or maybe pivot type. I'll go to modify and here the height will be 7 feet and here I'll be going for panels 3 by 4 and here we can give parameters like the open, flip swing, flip hinge, maybe like this, or flip swing, flip hinge this side. We'll keep this color separate and this color also separate. I'll switch up. I'll go to the top view. I'll switch up the grids. Go to F3, and this is the typical wall where I'll be aligning this. I'll go to move. Just like that, this I'll rotate and keep angular snap on 90 degree. So I'll just check for 90 degree, right click and set the angle to be 90. Now go to the move handle, zoom it, now we'll place at the windowsill level and this also. So how to map this, both the things? So here you can see this is the link option, so which you can directly select and link and select the wall. So this will be linked just like that. Select this and select the wall. This will be linked and automatically the opening will be created by selecting this link option. Now you can see you have automatically cut out here as well as here also. From the inside you can see it is properly fitted. And now you can go to modify and you can have the rotation. You can have vertical rotations, and that's it. Here also you can have door offset, width, the leap parameters. You can have beveled like this. So all this you can directly set here. Select this, keep it close and create a platform. Go to standard primitive box, go to auto grid, and here you can create a platform. Go to the top view, go to modify, change the height to 0.25 or maybe here 3. Width you can keep it like this, length 0.25. Add this to the proper location, then you can just open your doors. Go for scale. Now we can have the AC extended objects, and you can go for foliage. You can have a couple of trees inside. Go to modify, go to neighbor, go to move, and go for scale. This also you can go for scale, and you can have this inside your campus. Just like that, this you can have inside this, and you can have this placement. So in this way quickly you can create this stuff by using these parameters, and this completes your project. Thank you.